All right, welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're taking a guided tour of a tool that's really reshaping how we work, create, and, even think. We're talking about ChatGPT5. We're going to break down what it is, how you can really master it, and what makes it such a game changer. So let's just dive right in.
But first, let's just start with a question. I want you to imagine something. What if you had an assistant that could research, create, plan, and organize not just for you, but with you? I mean, in a truly intelligent, collaborative way. That's the promise we're going to unpack today.
Okay, first things first, let's meet this new assistant. We're going to start by really understanding what makes this new version such a massive leap forward from anything we've seen before.
So at its core, ChatGPT5 is an advanced conversational AI. But that's just the beginning. That doesn't even tell the whole story. The real magic is its vastly improved reasoning, its much deeper understanding of context, and its pinpoint accuracy. This is what turns it from just a simple question and answer tool into a real collaborative partner, one that can tackle complex projects right alongside you.
Now, before we unleash its full power, we got to get our bearings. So let's take a super quick tour of the workspace so you know exactly where all your key tools are.
First up, the new chat button. Think of this as your strategic reset button. You want to use this between different projects so you don't get the context from one task bleeding into the next. It's how you make sure you're getting the most accurate and relevant responses every single time. Next, the search function. This is basically your personal time machine. We've all had that moment, right? Where was that brilliant idea we talked about last week? Well, this lets you instantly search your entire chat history to pull up that exact bit of info right when you need it. It's a lifesaver. The library is way more than just a digital notebook. This is where you build your own custom knowledge base. You can save your best prompts, useful code snippets, those breakthrough ideas. You're basically creating a personal repository that you can draw from for all your future projects.
And finally, new project. This lets you create these dedicated workspaces. This is absolutely essential if you're managing complex stuff. It allows you to bundle all your related research, all your chats, your uploaded files, everything, into one single organized hub.
Okay, so our workspace is organized, we know where everything is, now let's get to the main event. We are moving way beyond a simple chat here. We're about to unlock advanced interaction, and trust me, this is where the real magic happens.
Now, interacting is really straightforward, but it's also incredibly versatile. I mean, beyond just typing in the prompt box, the real power comes from the other options. You can use that little plus sign to upload documents, images, even data for analysis. Or you can just use the dictate button and speak your commands directly to it.
And when it comes to research, you've got two very distinct modes. Think of web search as your breaking news reporter. It taps into the live internet for what's happening right now. But for a much bigger picture, you'll switch to deep research. This mode is more like an investigative journalist. It synthesizes info from tons of sources to give you a really thorough, in-depth analysis.
Now you have to check out these advanced tools. Agent mode. This is like putting the AI on autopilot. You give it a high-level goal and it just figures out and performs all the little steps to get there. Create image is exactly what it sounds like. It turns your words into pictures. And Canvas is your visual workspace. It's like a digital whiteboard on steroids for brainstorming, mind mapping, all that good stuff.
You know, the real power of any tool is how well it fits into your existing world, right? So this next section is all about integration. It's about connecting the AI to your entire digital workflow to create one seamless ecosystem.
So what are GPTs? Honestly, this is one of the most powerful concepts to grasp. Think of them as custom, specialized versions of the AI that you can build yourself or use ones that others have made. Imagine having an AI trained specifically to be your legal assistant, or a creative writing coach, or a financial analyst, with unique instructions just for that job.
And you can make the AI even smarter by connecting it to your world. When you link up your Google Drive or OneDrive or SharePoint, you're not just granting access, you're enabling it to analyze your sales reports, summarize meeting transcripts, and find those little insights hidden away in your own documents.
And the specialization doesn't stop there. For developers, you've got Codex. It's a co-pilot for writing, debugging, and even explaining complex code. And for you video creators out there, there's Sora. It acts like a film director, generating entire video clips based on nothing more than a few lines of text. It's wild.
Okay, we've covered the what and the how. Now we're at the final and honestly the most important part. This is all about turning this potential into reality. It's your turn to create.
So, to sum it all up, what are we looking at? Well, this quote really nails it. It's a versatile and intelligent assistant.
A tool that's designed not just to be a novelty, but to fundamentally revolutionize how you approach your work, from content creation to research to your entire daily workflow.
And that brings us to the final, really critical question. With a tool that can reason and research and write and even visualize, what will you create first? The possibilities are pretty much endless, and they're just waiting there for you to explore. Thanks for joining this explainer.